Water heater replacement in Santa Cruz County, CA, offered by Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, ensures your home or business has reliable access to hot water. Specializing in the removal of outdated or malfunctioning water heaters, Rosenthal provides expert installation of new, energy-efficient units that meet your specific needs. We offer comprehensive water heater replacement services to keep your water running hot and your energy bills low. Call our water heater replacement team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a water heater replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Are there any energy-efficient water heater options available? Yes, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers a range of energy-efficient water heaters, including tankless models and hybrid units. Will my water heater replacement affect my water quality? Replacing your water heater should not negatively impact your water quality. In fact, newer models may improve water quality by eliminating any buildup or sediment from the old system. What is your service area for Santa Cruz County, California? Our water heater replacement has helped clients in Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, San Jose, California. Where is your Santa Cruz County, California water heater replacement office located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa-Cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair.